The best pure aromatherapy and essential oil recipes for weight loss, anti-aging, natural cures, healthy lifestyle, beauty and skincare. 1. The fresh approach. If you want your home or office space to smell fresh and clean, this combination is an excellent choice. It doesn't only make the areas smell fresh, it actually cleans the air. In addition, it helps you to relax and declutters your thoughts. 2 drops of lemon or lime essential oil. 2 drops of lavender essential oil. 2 drops of rosemary essential oil. 2. Tropical island vacation. We all need a vacation from time to time, but sometimes it's impossible to physically get away. No worries. If you can't go to the island, bring the island to you. This formulation will rejuvenate your mind, soul, and body, plus, it will cleanse the air and has a wonderful scent too. 3 drops of orange essential oil. 2 drops of lemon essential oil. 2 drops of lime essential oil. 1 drop of grapefruit essential oil. 3. Cold Be Gone. This aromatherapy concoction is the perfect blend to clear out your respiratory system. It also works as a great preventative measure during cold and flu season. Plus, it smells very refreshing. 2 drops of peppermint essential oil. 1 drop of lemon essential oil. 1 drop of rosemary essential oil. 1 drop of eucalyptus essential oil. 4. Get focused. Got an important meeting coming up or perhaps an exam? Kick your brain into gear with aromatherapy. 3 drops of peppermint essential oil. 2 drops of frankincense essential oil. 2 drops of orange blossom essential oil. 5. Shed pounds deliciously. Did you know that by breathing in the luscious scent of this mixture, you can actually curb your hunger and more easily stick to your diet? It's almost too good to be true, but it's a proven fact. 2 drops of grapefruit essential oil. 2 drops of orange essential oil. 1 drop of bergamot essential oil. 6. Man in the house. Sometimes there are what we call smells of a man, like those of his dirty boots and sweaty sports equipment. Plus, some men don't like to come home to a house that smells like a garden, but would rather have a more woodsy scent going. You are in luck. These essential oils are not only men's favorite, but women love them too. 2 drops of cypress essential oil. 2 drops of clary sage essential oil. 1 drop of cedar essential oil. 7. Celebrate summer. Don't you just love when it's summer and everything smells so fresh and sunny? This fine blend of oils will bring a sunny day right into your living room. It will brighten your mood too. 2 drops of jasmine essential oil. 1 drop of lemon essential oil. 1 drop of bergamot essential oil. 8. Holiday warm up. Warm your spirits and your home with this special holiday blend of essential oils. You will love the cozy feeling you get when it fills your senses and your guests will never want to leave. 3 drops of cinnamon essential oil. 1 drop of frankincense essential oil. 1 drop of vanilla essential oil. 9. Christmas cheer. This wonderful mix of oils says that Christmas is in the air. Give yourself, your guests, and your family the gift of warmth and cheer that will have such a glorious effect. You may want to use it all year round. You will need 4 drops of pine essential oil. 1 drop of lemon essential oil. 10. Easter Peace-ter. Spring is in the air. Celebrate new beginnings and fresh starts with this essential oil mix that will revive your mind, soul, and body too. 2 drops of lavender essential oil. 1 drop of blue chamomile essential oil. 1 drop of geranium essential oil. 11. Mold no more. Mold can cause a number of illnesses and the bottom line is, it plain stinks. This mix can help clean the air for many types of mold and mildew. Be sure to run it for at least 24 hours. You will need 4 drops of Thieves essential oil. 2 drops of rosemary. 12. Spice it up. Spice exhilarates the senses. Add a touch of excitement to the air with this wild blend. You will need 4 drops of clove essential oil. 2 drops of sweet orange essential oil. 13. Fall is in the air. Warm up the atmosphere and relax with a steaming cup of joe while you enjoy this tantalizing scent filling the air. You will need 5 drops of patchouli essential oil, 3 drops of tangerine essential oil, 14 cup of joe. When it's cold out, warm up with the scent of fresh coffee. Might as well grab a cup and enjoy this relaxing scent. You will need 7 drops of coffee essential oil, 2 drops of vanilla essential oil, 15 wild and woodsy. If you have men in your home, they will go nuts over this wild and woodsy scent. Don't worry, women love it too. What's not to love about the very heart of nature? You will need 5 drops of cypress essential oil, 1 drop of citrus essential oil, 16 man's man. This blend is perfect to get rid of the odor that often comes along with a man cave. You will need 6 drops of vetiver essential oil, 2 drops of bergamot essential oil, 17 making waves. This blend is the perfect ending to a summer night or a winter night that you wish was a summer night. It is super relaxing, so grab yourself a pillow and put your pajamas on. You will need 5 drops of blue chamomile essential oil, 2 drops of lavender essential oil, 18 clean as a whistle. If you want a subtle, clean, and fresh scent that sets a calm and peaceful mood, this one is for you. You will need 5 drops of cilantro essential oil, 2 drops of lime essential oil, 19 pumpkin pie. Remember the smell of fresh baked pumpkin pie? Fill your home and senses with this deliciously warm scent. You will need 3 drops of allspice essential oil, 2 drops of ginger essential oil, 2 drops of vanilla essential oil, 20 key lime thyme. Just imagine yourself on a beachfront setting, eating key lime pie after a delicious seaside dinner. This blend is cleansing to the soul and the air as well. You will need 6 drops of lime essential oil, 2 drops of vanilla essential oil, 21 Be Mine, Valentine. This delightful floral scent has love written all over it. It is perfect for an evening with your loved one. You will need 5 drops of rose essential oil, 2 drops of geranium essential oil, 1 drop of tea tree essential oil, 22 fruit basket medley. This blend is full of the luscious wonders of nature's bounty and fills the air with antioxidants to help keep your immune system working well. You will need 5 drops of apple essential oil, 3 drops of grapefruit essential oil, 2 drops of lemon essential oil, 23 Scarborough Fair. Are you going to Scarborough Fair? Remember this essence to fill the air. Take a step back to a slower-paced, stress-free time when life was simple. You will need 3 drops of rosemary essential oil, 3 drops of thyme essential oil, 2 drops of sage essential oil. 24 My Garden. Create your own garden with this luxurious floral blend. Visit it anytime you want, winter, spring, summer, or fall. You will need 4 drops of geranium essential oil, 3 drops of lavender essential oil, 2 drops of Roman chamomile essential oil, 1 drop of tea tree essential oil. 25 Treehouse. Retreat to your private treehouse where no one can find you except a few birds and squirrels. This mix is great for the air and your lungs too. You will need 4 drops of cypress essential oil, 2 drops of sandalwood essential oil, 1 drop of pine essential oil. 26 Melon Ball Medley. This is a fresh, light scent that is perfect to fill your home with on a clear summer day. You will need 5 drops of cantaloupe essential oil, 5 drops of watermelon essential oil, 3 drops of honeydew essential oil. 27 Remember this. When studying for a test or when you have something that requires concentration, use this blend to help your memory. You will need 6 drops of peppermint essential oil, 4 drops of lemon essential oil, 4 drops of rosemary essential oil, 2 drops of hyssop essential oil. 28 Headache. If you have a splitting headache, this formulation is just what you need to get rid of the pain and ease into a relaxed state of mind and body. You will need 4 drops of thyme essential oil, 4 drops of rosemary essential oil, 4 drops of basil essential oil. 29. Working out the workout. Need to get in step to do your workout? Here's a surefire remedy to get you into full swing. You will need 6 drops of peppermint essential oil, 6 drops of grapefruit essential oil. 30. Energize. Turn up the volume of the energy in your home. If you are suffering from lethargy or just want to add some extra vibes, here's a blend that will do that for you. You will need 6 drops of lavender essential oil, 4 drops of lemon essential oil, 2 drops of basil essential oil. 31. E-Myrrh-Gency. When your home or office atmosphere is not exactly as you would like it to be, clear the air with this mixture. You will need 10 drops of myrrh essential oil, 5 drops of cedarwood essential oil, 2 drops of lemonwood essential oil. 32. Hip on this. This fine blend just reeks of goodness. Rosehip seed essential oil is one of the treasures that the people of old enjoyed for the many benefits it possesses. You will need 20 drops of rosehip seed essential oil, 10 drops of lavender essential oil. 33. Delight Sublime. Want to add an exciting and mysterious air to your space? Try this one on for size. It is sure to exhilarate your senses. You will need 15 drops of lime essential oil, 10 drops of oak moss essential oil, 5 drops of lavender essential oil. 34. Mountain Bliss. Fresh and clean, this concoction is full of everything righteous and good. You will want to enjoy it over and over again like a walk in the mountains. You will need 10 drops of chamomile essential oil, 5 drops of cedarwood essential oil, 1 drop of vetiver essential oil. 35. Treasure My Heart. This is a perfect scent for those sentimental times spent with the one you love. You will need 20 drops of geranium essential oil, 10 drops of tea tree essential oil, 5 drops of rose essential oil, 2 drops of lavender essential oil. 36. Sunshine. If you have ever wondered what sunshine smells like, here ya go. You will need 6 drops of chamomile, 6 drops of orange blossom essential oil, 6 drops of citrus essential oil. 37. Hugs. This formulation is warm, will give you the goodness your body needs, and will fill the air with a fresh and lovely scent. You will need 6 drops of patchouli essential oil, 4 drops of orange blossom essential oil. 38. Rainbow's End. Here's your pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. You will need 8 drops of geranium essential oil, 4 drops of chamomile essential oil, 4 drops of lemonwood essential oil. 39. Grassy Meadow. Remember how fresh, cool green grass feels beneath your feet? This formulation will bring that feeling straight into the air around you. You will need 10 drops of vetiver essential oil, 3 drops of cedarwood essential oil. 40. Treetop. Take a look at the world around you from the point of view of a treetop. Worries and cares float away. You will need 10 drops of evergreen essential oil, 5 drops of sandalwood essential oil. 41. Hot Spot. Make your space the place to be when you get this great combination into the air. You will need 15 drops of cinnamon essential oil, 10 drops of geranium essential oil. 42. Life. Life is worth living when you breathe in the fresh scents of this blend and let it consume your every emotion. You will need 15 drops of rose essential oil, 10 drops of lavender essential oil, 5 drops of sandalwood essential oil. 43. Cotton Patch. Fresh and lovely is how you will feel when you are consumed with this aromatic elixir. You will need 10 drops of Roman chamomile essential oil, 5 drops of tea tree essential oil, 2 drops of evergreen essential oil. 44. Heaven scent. Ah, this must be what heaven smells like. Simply angelic. You will need 15 drops of vetiver essential oil, 10 drops of geranium essential oil, 5 drops of rose essential oil, 1 drop of orange blossom essential oil. 45. After the rain. Don't you just love the fresh smell that comes after a nice hard rain? You can fill your lungs and your home with the goodness it brings. You will need 10 drops of vetiver essential oil, 5 drops of lemon essential oil, 1 drop of tea tree essential oil. 46. It's Christmas. Spread holiday cheer with this mix that has Noel written all over it. You will need 15 drops of pine essential oil, 10 drops of cedarwood essential oil, 5 drops of orange essential oil. 47. Thinking clearly. Rid the air of negativity with this potent blend of positive energy. You will need 10 drops of clary sage essential oil, 5 drops of Ylang Ylang essential oil. 48. Sweet nothings. Let this therapeutic mix whisper a little something into your ear. It is fantastic to smell and relieves all your worries. You will need 15 drops of lavender essential oil, 10 drops of sweet orange essential oil, 4 drops of rose essential oil. 49. Song of the World. Aromatherapy is a universal language. This fine mix says it all. You will need 10 drops of clary sage essential oil, 5 drops of lavender essential oil, 1 drop of lemon essential oil, 1 drop of vetiver essential oil. 50. Orange. You glad? Don't worry, be happy. You can't help but smile, inside and out, when you get a whiff of this fine combination of essentials. You will need 10 drops of grapefruit essential oil, 5 drops of Ylang Ylang essential oil, 3 drops of citrus essential oil,